Hey, it's Steve Zelenardo here with Trevisa Realty. We're in Babcock Ranch at a community built by Pulte. It's North Ridge. Behind me here is a single-story, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom model, which is called the Hanover. Let's go have a look at this house. So it's a 4-bedroom model, 2-bathroom. So if you kind of see at the front here, we got bedrooms on either flank of the bathroom here in the middle. So it's a full bathroom with a tub, which is nice. But let's keep it going. So off the side here, this is going to be your HVAC area. This is your double car garage. As you can see, this is not epoxied. As you see, the earlier model we went to go look at is epoxied. It's nice to have them epoxy. It's all clean and it keeps the garage clean. If you kind of look here, if you're from the north, you wouldn't see your hot water tank in the garage, but here out in Florida, they're in the garage, and they're obviously a higher elevation, and that's more than likely due for if there was a water issue. But ultimately, we are 25 feet above sea level, so there won't be any water issues here with surges or floods. Let's keep it going. So you got your laundry room here, and just a little area. This would have been nice to have some countertop here and some cabinetry for sure. It's a nice little nook. And this is going to be the 4th bedroom. This will be the smallest of the 4 on this main floor. You can kind of see there's not impact windows, right? So there was a shortage of impact windows at some point, and they weren't offered. If they were offered, they're very expensive because we went through this in our house when we bought in July at Verdana Village. But it's all good. It comes with storm shutters, so you just gotta sweat equity and get everything on. Coat closet here in the front, which is nice, away from everything. This is just gonna be storage or pantry, or it is set up as a pantry rather. And good size room. Kitchen's good size. I love these single-story homes. They're definitely generously laid out. They know what's important. It's basically family room area and kitchen, so they always oversize them. And again, just remember, we are gas here in Babcock, which is nice. Like I said, it's endless propane tanks for your barbecue. Amazing family room. This is really, really large. This is probably as the same size as a Whitestone. And again, you're in a single story. Let's head outside and kind of have a look here. So just remember, when you're buying a house, if you don't get the pool, this is the area that will be screened in. So it's a small little area. You probably have 2 chairs and a bistro table. This model's optioned out with a pool. Not very large. This is probably maybe 10, 11 feet wide and probably by 25 feet deep, in length. So not a very big pool, but it's okay. It's good size. Yeah, let's head over and see the primary room. It'd be nice to get the impact stuff, to be honest, but it's all good. Yeah, primary bedroom, good size. They're pretty much all regularly the same size. As I'm looking at all these models, they generally have this a certain size, these masters, so they can fit a king and a few tables on the side. Full bathroom, stand-up shower. Again, this is just a resin tub in place. It would have been nice if it was, the usual step down and all tile, but it's all good. It'll do. Water closet here, double sink, and then you got your large walk-in closet. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is the Hanover model in North Ridge, Babcock Ranch by Pulte. If you have any questions regarding homes in this community, there's much more models to choose from if this one doesn't match your needs and wants, and we'd be happy to show you around. You can always reach us at 647-962-4372. Have a great day.